Hey there, it's Anna with WTI. And if you are looking for the most beautiful pots for your favorite plant babies, you are going to love these ones. These are the most gorgeous iridescent rainbow pearl glaze on these ceramic pots from Gepege. They come in a 6, 5, and 4-inch planter. They come with everything that you need, whether you want to have the drainage hole open or plugged. You can place your plant directly into these planters or have them in their nursery pots on the inside as well. They're just so absolutely stunning. This rainbow pearl glaze that's on them is so gorgeous when it hits the light. I love the gold detail at the bottom. They really are just so stunning. They would make an amazing gift for someone, but I'm keeping them for myself. I am absolutely loving having these gorgeous pots in my house. My plants look so good in them. I couldn't recommend them more. And that's my point of view.